What's up? Steve Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. We just got confirmation. Bank of America, with their hardship program, they will not, I repeat, Bank of America will not, at least at the point of today, which is 3/17/2020, March 17, 2020, time 4:07 p.m. Central Time, has reported to us with information that they will not be waiving the interest fee. So if you have, they will do allow you to skip payments due to the hardship. You do have to report the hardship to them. Their customer service assistance program. You can either contact them by the mobile app or you can contact them by phone. They are accepting and will allow you to skip payments due to the hardship, but they will not waive any interest fees. I do not think that was kind on their part, but I guess you get what you can get. But they will not, I repeat, they will not be waiving any interest. So just to break down what that means is that if you call in, you ask for payment deferment, or you ask to skip a payment for 1 month, 2 months, whatever they allow you to do, they will allow the interest to keep racking up on those months. Personally, I don't think that's fair, especially if any bank is taking any financial tax money to help them with their situation. I just don't think that is fair. But so I'm reporting here, Bank of America, just to stay clear of the time because they could take a lot of heat from this and change it. We're March 17, 2020, time now 4:09 p.m. Central Time. As of right now, Bank of America will not be waiving interest rates, but they will allow you to skip payments in their hardship program. If you need help with your credit, visit creditrepairshop.com. You need your credit reports, please go to the website listed below, your3scores.com. Also, please like this video. I really appreciate it. Share, post your comments and questions. Thank you.